need some help. I thought maybe a strong hand.
Go on, son. Off you go.
You say the sweetest things.
Yes, I know. Now buzz off.
I'm sorry, but we've tried.
Well, can't you do anything?
Did you get anything into that mouth? Don't answer that.
Excuse me, madam. Sorry, I just stumbled a bit. I lost my balance, you know. Right, well, you're all right? Right. Look, I can't stay like this for the whole trip.
Article 103, Appendix B. The second officer will do everything within his power to ensure the comfort of the passengers aboard his flight.
Yeah, 103B, eh? Gee, that's...
Well, can't Martin handle her?
He is handling her, and she's loving it.
It's always the quiet ones you've got to watch. Sally, get me a couple of drinks, please. Martin, take over up front. One more scream out of you and I'll put you off this aircraft.
But we're 30,000 feet over the Pacific Ocean.
That's right. I mean it. Damn.
Oh, do let me help you.
You behave yourself.
But your trousers are all wet. You'll have to take them off.
Possibly.
Well, do come back while you're waiting for them to dry. I'm a widow. I take in boarders to make ends meet.
Oh, clumsy boy.
Gently.
Oh, a bit tender this morning, is he? Oh, it's no good. They're too wet. You'll, have to take them off.
Am I safe?
No. Oh, my, you are pleased to see me.
Oh, God. Here I go again. I just have no will.
I'm glad. Even though I'm going to kill you, I want your body first.
What about Sally?
Right now, Sally is reconsidering her position.
Oh, which one? I thought she enjoyed all of them.
And now back to our hero, whose problem is about to get worse.
Hi. Remember me? I'm Julia Blandings.
Help!
Don't be like that.
Paul, get up here, fast.
I'll be up in a minute. Oh! Yes, no, I'm fantastic.
Paul, please. Paul, are you coming?
Oh, I think you make a big thing of it. I'm not that good. Oh!